be free and fair.
Duol mochung'ne weche mag apaya pachoka Kenya Roads Board ochako chenro mar rango kendo yango apeyni ma masira thoro timore e kor gwenge ma pachoka. Duol yango ni chenro ma kama geto yango kenge minyalo ti godo e rakruok gi masiche mag apeyni. Lipod ni yango ni maromo ji 4,000 wito ngimagi kokalo e masira mar apaya pachoka. Director Duol mar Kenya Roads Board Tom Omai olero ni chenro no ochakore gi gwenge mag Mombasa kochomo Malaba kigeno chwale e kor gwenge mamoko kolero ni dwaro nitiere mondo mi ji obed akicha ahinya te kindegi mag sikuku kaachiel kod jiwo dwaro mar mondo mi omed bero chal mag apeyni mathiro masiche makamagi.
The reason we are doing this is because of the fatalities that we are getting from road accidents countrywide. It is alarming when you hear, like now within 6 months, we've lost over 3,000 lives. It is something to worry about. And because we oversee the road network in Kenya, it becomes our business. We must come and see how we can support with the resources we have. We are looking at the whole design and identifying the black spots. And then coming up with recommendations on how some sections can be improved so that these fatalities can come down.
The hospital has a 2-bed capacity ICU, but we are aspiring to have a bigger capacity of closer to 15 beds. The building is on course, but we are also expecting the county government of Nakuru to assist us in terms of equipping and also appealing to Kenya Roads Board. We can chip in because they have also assisted us in getting some orthopedic beds for our orthopedic department and some other orthopedic equipment.
Jopur mawuok e wards mayudore ka chung'ol bura ma Webuye East gi Webuye West oyudo tiegruok e wi lony manyasani